Namaste, beautiful yogis. Exciting announcement. We are doing a limited supply sale on oranges. Our oranges are in full fruit mode, and I'm personally excited to ship some of the fruits. I'll list the details in the description and on our website. We'll ship large and small, or medium, more so, and large boxes within the United States. I'm not aware that we can ship fresh fruit outside, but I'm excited to be able to ship some of the oranges because last year we couldn't ship the oranges. We were moving at the time. Anyways, those are the trees, and you can come with me on a little tour on the property. It's absolutely festive. Those are my favorite trees amongst all the other trees. I'm excited to be able to ship some of the boxes because these trees are just a joy. It's the joy fruit, and it's, as you know, completely unsprayed and treated. I'm working on converting things into permaculture guilds with herbs. But everything is beyond organic, beyond just the organic sprays. We don't do any sprays. We're giving ourselves time to further build the soil. The soil is pretty strong. The trees really love it, as you can tell. But we also have a lot of work on the property to really bring in more trees and create guilds and all of that. It's a lot, and I'll probably be sharing some of our journey. Johnny will be sharing on Mystica Ranch. I'll link the account below, and he'll be sharing a lot of his construction work and yard work.
That's a Valencia. Look, it doesn't have the butt. It's a Valencia oranges. They're on a different schedule, different leaf. We'll focus on shipping first the biggest ones because they do grow in size as the season progresses. So as we remove the big ones from the trees, the other ones will catch up in size. They do grow after they turn color. But the trees are so full that it will be actually relieving for the trees to get some of this fruit off of them. They form this beautiful pattern in the navels. There's hardly any white stuff. It's just all juice. That's the uric. They still have a little bit of time, but this thing tastes like as mellow as a pickled cucumber. Yeah. And we're excited to ship all the oranges that we have for this year. They are a joy. They're just the joy fruit for me, and I'm very excited to ship them out, and also the trees will be happy to get the year started over. This is what we're building as our herbal, creating herbs, drying herbs, clean room, studio, where we're gonna have all of our shipment and herbal material from here, which is kind of my office, my workroom. And I'll post the button on the website. I'm excited. I'll see you on the website and with the yoga classes.